Ombre Chrome made easy, guys. Check it out. Wipe your nail clean, put on pH bond, apply foundation base coat, cure that for 30 seconds, and then we're gonna use Gelish Art Form Black. We're gonna cure that for 30 seconds, and then we're gonna get our two chrome sticks. Here we have copper and magenta green. Start off with using the applicator that's built in, and then use a makeup applicator because it's a little easier to get that soft ombre effect. Now it's really easy for chrome to chip on natural nails, especially at the free edge, so a trick to make it last 2 weeks without chipping is using Gelish foundation, and I'm going to put that base coat right on top of the chrome, cap the free edge, cure it, and then apply Gelish, top it off, cure that for 30 seconds, and then cleanse and oil. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are interested in getting 10% off Gelish.com, you can use my code VuDooNails10.